Hey there, and welcome to Sell Your Home in Irvine, California. In this video, we're talking about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. Now, give me a second to switch over to my laptop. Today's video is answering the question, should I buy a new home before selling my old one? And this is a very personal decision. Having a new home ready to go can bring peace of mind when selling with no timeline pressures, but you may also get stuck paying two mortgages. However, if you sell your old home first, it might mean temporary housing and moving twice. Having a new home ready to go versus temporary housing and moving twice might not be ideal either way, but some people find that moving to their dream home is worth the inconveniences. This is a very personal decision. If you're curious about the advantages and disadvantages of each and some possible solutions, feel free to reach out so we can brainstorm the best of all worlds. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining us. My name is Remy, like Do Remy. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about selling your home in South Orange County, we are standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.